Good day, everyone. We are the Group 7, where Miss Paulino, Mr. Jubail, and I, Rashaline Hassan, will be discussing the preparing the table. So first, what is preparing the table? Preparing the table or table setting is how to set a table with serving and dining utensils and other items. A table setting is the arrangement for a single dinner. In addition, it refers to the decorations and how the utensils are organized. Next is what is the importance of preparing the table? A proper table setting has always been a key. It establishes a welcoming atmosphere for guests and sets the tone for formality while dining, ensuring that everyone gets along, feels comfortable, and has a good time.
Good day everyone. I will be discussing about the preparing the table. How to prepare the table. The different types of table settings do not require different tableware. Just because you are setting a formal table does not mean you have to have expensive china. The important thing is that the table are fits into its surrounding and that the tableware, tablecloth, napkins, centerpiece, and other accessories complement each other and looks well together. Guidelines for all table settings. To avoid overcrowding, allow 24 to 30 for each setting. Place settings should be one from the edge of the table and avoid centerpiece arrangements that obstruct the view of guests. Do not place items such as coffee cups, teacups, and or dessert plates on the table if it crowds your guests. It is appropriate to bring those items to the table after the main course has been cleared and dessert is served. If a shortage of place settings is a problem, mix in pieces that do not match. Mix and match place settings has become a popular trend. When deciding on a table centerpiece, keep it low. Large, tall centerpieces obstructs the view of your guests. Buffet table setting. Buffet table setting start with plates followed by side dishes, main dish, vegetables, salads, breads and relishes. The utensils are placed at the end of the buffet. Table decorations are placed above and in center of buffet arrangement. Set drinks, glasses, cups and dessert on a separate table to avoid congestion. If choosing to use paper napkins, the napkins may be placed between each plate in the stack to conserve space, not more than 12 plates per stack. This picture shows the example on how to arrange a buffet table setting. Let's move on now to the 5-course table setting. A 5-course table setting comprises more utensils and tableware. This is because of the significant amount of food served in a 5-course feast, which includes the main meal, salad, fish, course, soup, and dessert. To set it up, you may have to follow the instruction on the formal table settings, but with a slight deviation by adding champagne flutes behind your white wine glasses and sherry glass at the front of the red wine glasses. The fish fork and fish knives also take different positions. The former is placed between the diners and salad fork and the latter between the dinner knife and soup spoon. This picture shows the example on how to prepare a 5-course table setting. And that's all for today. Thank you.
Good day everyone. So today I will discuss the types of table setting. So first we have the basic table setting. So what is basic table setting? The basic table setting comprises the implements you would need for an everyday meal. You would use a basic table setting for a daily dinner or perhaps a special brunch. To set your basic table, You will need a charger plate, a knife and fork, a water glass, and a napkin. So, here are the 6 instructions for basic table setting. Number 1, lay the placement on the table. Number 2, put the dinner plate in the middle of the placemat. Number 3, lay the napkin to the left of the plate. Number 4, place the fork on the napkin. Number 5, to the right of the plate, place the knife closest to the plate, blade pointing in. Place the spoon to the right of the knife. Take note, the bottoms of the utensils and the plate should all be level. And the last one is to place the water glass slightly above the plate and between the plate and the utensils, about where 1 p.m. would be on a clock face. And the etiquette tips for basic table setting: if you prefer, it is acceptable to set the napkin on top of the plate in a basic table setting. To some think this can create a more formal feeling. Next is the formal table setting. So formal table setting includes many pieces, a tablecloth, chargers, dinner plates, soup bowls, salad plates, bread plates, napkins, salad forks, dinner forks, knives, soup spoons, butter knives, dessert spoons, water glasses, red wine glasses, and white wine glasses. The instructions of formal dinner table setting. Number 1, lay an iron tablecloth on the table. Number 2, set a charger at each seat. Number 3, in the center of the charger, place a soup bowl. Number 4, place the bread plate to the top left of the charger between 10 and 11 p.m. on a clock face. Number 5, lay a napkin to the left of the charger. Number 6, on the left of the charger, place the salad fork on the outside and the dinner fork on the inside. You can put the forks on the napkin or for Vermeer settings directly on the tablecloth between the napkin and the charger. Number 7, directly above the charger, place a dessert spoon or a teaspoon with the handle pointing to the right. Number 10, directly above the knife, place a water glass. To the right of the water glass and about 3/4 of an inch downward, place the white wine glass. The red wine glass goes to the right of and slightly above the white wine glass. Take note, since people traditionally drink more water than wine during dinner, the water is kept closer to the diner. Number 11, if using individual salt and pepper shakers for each guest, place them above the dessert spoon. Otherwise, place them near the center of the table, or if using a long rectangular table, place them in the middle of each end. And the number 12, if using a place card, set it above the dessert spoon. So this is the etiquette tips for formal table setting. After the soup course is complete and the bowls are cleared, a salad plate will take the soup bowl's position. Traditionally, a charger holds the spot for the dinner plate and is removed after the salad course, so the place is never bare. If you do not want to clear the table after the soup course and bring out dinner plates, you can place a dinner plate on top of the charger. And the last one is the informal table setting. So, at an informal setting, fewer utensils are used and serving dishes are placed on the table. Sometimes the cup and saucer are placed on the right side of the spoon, about 30 cm or 12 inches from the edge of the table. And here are the instructions for casual table setting or the informal table setting. Number 1, lay the placement on the table. Number 2, put the dinner plate in the middle of the placemat. Number 3, place the salad plate on the top of the dinner plate. Number 4, if you're starting with the soup course, place the soup bowl on top of the salad plate. Number 5, lay a napkin to the left of the charger. Number 6, to the left of the plate, place the fork on the napkin. Number 7, on the right of the plate, place the knife closest to the plate and then the spoon. Number 8, directly above the knife, place the water glass. Number 9, to the right and slightly above the water glass, place the wine glass or glass for another beverage. And this is the casual table setting etiquette tips. If using individual salt and pepper shakers for each guest, place them at the top of the placemat. Otherwise, place them near the center of the table, or if using a long, rectangular table, place them in the middle of each end. That's all. Thank you.